Good morning friends, welcome to PK JPSC and BPSC channel. So today we are going to do November current affair part 3. Part 1 and part 2 I have already uploaded. Please check my part 1 and part 2 and let's discuss part 3. Okay. So the first current affair which is important will be Vijay Kumar Sinha is appointed as Speaker of Bihar Assembly. Very important question, remember this thing. Next will be India's first cow cabinet set up in Madhya Pradesh. So India's first cow cabinet is set up in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, next is Bollywood actor named Sonu Sood is actually appointed as the icon of Punjab by Election Commission of India. ECI has appointed Bollywood actor Sonu Sood as state icon of Punjab. Next is this is something missing is there. The answer will be Yash Vardhan. Okay, Yash Vardhan Kumar Sinha. Yash Vardhan Kumar Sinha is appointed as 11th CIC of India. That is, CIC is nothing but Center Information Commissioner of India. Okay. Next is GC Murmur. GC Murmur is 14th CAG, elected as external auditor of Inter-Parliamentary Union. Okay. And you should know that presently CAG of India is external auditor of WHO, that is World Health Organization, and FAO. Okay, this is very important. Priyanka Radhakrishnan of Indian origin become first ever minister of in New Zealand actually. Okay, in New Zealand government. Okay, Arjun Prajapati, who this guy got Padma Shri some time back. He was actually renowned sculptor. Actually passed away. He passed away. Okay, let's talk about Soumitra Chatterjee, one of the legend actor in Bengali cinema. Actually, in Indian cinema, you can say he passed away. Okay, he was Dada Saheb Phalke awardee, as well as he also got Padma Bhushan award. Okay, and he was also awarded with France's highest civilian award, known as Legion of Honor. Okay. Next is Mata Koshi Koshiba, Japanese Nobel laureate of physics, passed away. Okay. So not that important, but you should remember. Remember, next question is very important. Douglas Stewart he's a writer. Douglas Stewart is a writer. He wrote a book named Sugi Bain. This Sugi Bain got Booker Prize Award. Okay, very, very important question. Next is also very important question. UN Population Award. Gyalgyam Sangyam Wangchuk, Queen Mother of Bhutan, in November 2020, chosen for UN Population Award in individual category. Okay. Next is Help Age India, got 2020 UN Population Award in organization category. So remember, individual category Gyalgyam Sangye Wangchuk, and organization category Help Age India got UN Population Award. Okay, Union Minister, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal gets Vatayan Lifetime Achievement Award. Very important question. Ruskin Bond. Okay, Ruskin Bond honored with Tata Lifetime Achievement Award. He is a very renowned writer. He lives in Simla, Himachal Pradesh, but he is a very renowned writer. His book is very famous. Some of the book even I have read. Next is 48th International Emmy Award 2020. India web series Delhi Crime, I hope you would have watched, though I have never watched, bags the major award. India web series bags the major award in International Emmy Award 2020. Okay, next is China's ballistic missile DF-26B and DF-21D target in Parcel Island. Okay, not very important, but you should know Parcel Island is a disputed island. Okay, SpaceX launches 4 astronauts into space on November 15, 2020. Okay, SpaceX launched 4 astronauts named this 3 were American, 1 were Japanese, to the International Space Station on the full-fledged taxi flight for NASA by private company. Okay, they were launched by Falcon rocket from Kennedy Space Center. Okay, they were launched from Falcon rocket from Kennedy Space Center. Okay, and the capsule is known, in which they were going is actually known as Resilience. Okay, very important question. Okay, world's first 6G satellite sent into orbit by China. First 6G satellite. We are talking about 5G, China is talking about 6G. Okay, Sagar Kavach, a 2-day joint coastal security launched at Pradeep Coast, Odisha. Okay, Paradeep Coast, not Pradeep, Paradeep Coast, Odisha. Okay, Sagar Kavach, a 2-day joint coastal security launched at Paradeep Coast, Odisha. So, Sagar Kavach is a joint coastal security exercise. Okay, Lonar Lake in Maharashtra and Sur Sarovar in UP selected under Ramsar site. Okay, Lonar Lake in Maharashtra and Sur Sarovar is selected as Ramsar site. Okay, next is NSDC launched Project Future Ready to impart career skill to 1 lakh students. So, Project Future Ready is a program by NSDC. The main aim is to impart career skill to 1 lakh students. Okay. Next is Second World Health Expo held in Wuhan, China. Second World Health Expo held in Wuhan, China. So let's move to the next slide. Okay, lockdown is Collins Dictionary of the Word. Okay, dictionary word of the year. Okay, so lockdown is Collins word of the year. This Collins dictionary word of the year. So how you'll remember lockdown, Collins? There are so many L, right? And lockdown start with L. So you can remember like this. Okay. India first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply project in Lower Dibang district of northeastern Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so India started first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply. Where? In Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, PM Modi unveils Statue of Peace. Okay, Statue of Peace is he unveiled to mark 151st anniversary of Jain Acharya Sri Vijaya Vallabh in Pali, Rajasthan. Okay, and who was Vijaya Vallabh? Vijaya Vallabh was a Jain saint who lived from 1870 to 1954. He worked selflessly towards spreading the message of Lord Mahavira. Okay, Moss Garden is started in Uttarakhand and it was inaugurated by Waterman of India, Rajendra Singh. Okay, in Uttarakhand. Okay, next is Paris, Zurich and Hong Kong are jointly adjusted as the costliest city of the world in 2020 by the Economic Intelligence Unit. Okay, world of 2020 by the Economic Intelligence Unit. So bye bye guys. We'll talk about part 4 in the next video. So keep watching, and I'm also going to create video for JPSC. So bye bye. Please like, subscribe to my channel.